If you're going to implement POL in your organization, you need to ensure that all of your lines are balanced. Line balancing is the leveling of your workload across all processes to remove bottlenecks, excess capacity, and ensure that the work is evenly spread across all workers to meet your takt time. As we've learned in other modules, the customer determines the demand, and ultimately those customers create the market. As such, the market will determine the different types of products and their appropriate amounts that will need to be manufactured or produced. One thing to be cautious of, it's the ever-changing market demand. When the market changes, you will need to make the appropriate adjustments to keep your lines in balance and maintain the correct takt time. Please be sure to remember two very basic techniques when balancing your lines. When demand increases, you will need to adjust more resources into the line to support the needs. Likewise, when demand decreases, your resources can be shifted to other areas of the organization. Charts like the one shown in this module can be used to help you balance your lines. Percent charts allow you to see and make appropriate adjustments when needed. Other techniques like cross-training, the appropriate quality systems, and appropriate management will be discussed in other modules.